Hello guys! Welcome sa aming YouTube channel, Japinay Official. So for today's video is mag-fishing kami. Ganun always. So ayan, yun yung mga baon namin. So papunta na kami ngayon sa fishing sa may Port Klang. So doon kami dadaan guys. No pala, Port Dickson. Sa Port Dickson guys. So almost hours ang biyahe papunta dun sa port. So guys, let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Mag-overnight kami guys.
You scared? You're scared. Daddy, no scared.
Yeah, no scared. No scared.
Glema.
Let's go.
Sit down.
I'm so scared. It's like a plane. Plane sound.
Open your ears. Open it. It's okay. Open your mind.
So guys, nakikita nyo yung bahay na yan. Yan sa gitna ng dagat dyan. Diyan kami mamimingwit at overnight kami. So, ito, papunta na kami. Medyo malapit na kami. Yes, hindi na takot ang baby ko sa boat. Gustong gusto niya pero takot siya dati. Tinatakpan niya yung tenga niya kasi nga maingay. Pero ngayon, hindi na niya tinatakpan. Kasi inaano ko siya na hindi naman nakakatakot. So guys, ayan na. Yan, dito kami oh. Yan, may mga ano dyan guys. Mamaya, i-tour ko kayo dyan sa susunod na video. So, nandito na kami. Let's go.
Hi.
Hi.
Wade's here.
We're in the middle of the sea, of the ocean. This is ocean. Sea, this is sea. Ooh. Hey, smile, smile, smile. Chico. Wow. You guys, we got the 10 fish. Yan guys, lahat yung kain namin. Eugene, stop. So, that's our baby. Nakikiduyan.
Mama.
Cooking. Where is the resort? Guys, this is Daddy what we got. So many mackerel. This is the size talaga niya. So guys, itong bait ni Habi, ayan. Live show. Ay, focus ang clear. Eugene, give me that water. Bring it here. Put here. Guys, ang dami nila doon sila. Kanina nandito sila kasi nakako. Ang daming nahuli dito ni Habi. Yung lahat ng yun dito lang siya. So lahat ng puntahan dito. Eugene, what are you doing? So guys, andito ang renta dito is 74 each. Pati yan si Eugene may bayad na yan. Kasi per head talaga ang count. Tapos, ayan. Baby, give me the water. Oh, they got a big one. It's a big one. Guys, oh, may nahuli dun malaki. It's a big one. Para siyang mackerel pero ano, para siyang galunggong pero yung palapad. Oh. So guys, ito may room dito, yan. Itong aming room. Ganda na namin. Yan, walang aircon dito. Ewan ko lang kung may ilaw mamayang gabi. So, yung mga baon namin. Yan ang toilet. No, I don't have. Wow. Ooh. Huh? Wow, so many fish. Wow. They are so noisy. So guys, nag-fishing kami dito sa gitna ng dagat. Ang dami ng huli ni Habi. Yung parang maliliit na galunggong. So, ayan, ito ang nandito kami, nakalutang kami. So, may malapit na airport dito, Malacca Airport. Yan. Dami ng huli. So, dito may toilet, may mga rooms. Hindi ko lang alam kung may ilaw later. So, ang dami ng huli ng mga tao dyan. Ditong parts na to yung maraming fish. Oh yeah, naka-type siya. So guys, so dami. Eugene! Dangerous ah. Don't do that, baby. Yun ang pasaway kong anak. Kanina ko pa yung pinagsasabihan. Ubus na ang laway ko dito. Nagalisan na siguro yung ibang tao. Pero palang wala ako nakitang boat. So guys, may kitchen dito. Bye. It's okay, it's okay. What's that?
This one,
It's a mackerel.
mako, tasty.
So yan, naka-live si Habi sa kanyang TikTok.
The socks?
No. Shh. No, go home. Not yet, not yet. Later, go home.
What's finding the socks?
So guys. Oh, may ilaw na pala. Oh, may ilaw dito. Ah, that's the lights, generators. So guys, may ilaw na. Kala ko walang ilaw. So, mag-charge na ako. Nalobat na aking cellphone. Oh my god, it's so noisy. Hi guys, gabi na. So, andito pa rin kami. Look at that. Mga tao, mga makain siguro. Wala. Sarap ko. Wow. Did you home? But the people are home already, ah. Got a fish? Got a fish? Where is it? Go there. Wait. So that no, just eat the fish. Just eat the fish. Oh guys, ayan gabing-gabi na. Tulog ng baby ko yun sila. Lagi dito, may charging area. So, ayan, dinala talaga namin yan para in case nag-charge ka nun, sabay-sabay. Hindi nun.
The next day.
Diba, yan ang banding nilang dalawa. Kaya yung ang dilim pa ng paligid, guys. Fishing ang kanilang banding. Nakabantay sa likod yung anak. Kaya nagsuot siya ng ganyan. Ng floating. Nilalamig siguro. Hi, guys. Yan. Ah. Ang dilim. Yan. Kain kami ng tinapay para sa breakfast namin. Diba? Kahoy yan. Kaya sobrang lakas ng hangin. So, ayan. Feel na feel namin yung lamig dito. Good morning, guys. So, ito nakasurvive kami kagabi. Sobrang lakas ng ulan at hangin. No? Nasa gitna kami ng dagat. Oh my God, I'm so scared yesterday. Yan, nag-fishing siyang aga-aga, 5:30 pa lang. Eugene! Come here. So guys, eto, pabalik na ulit kami ng KL. Bye for now.
Four hours later.
Oh guys, magpapalipad kami dito na kites. Ang laki ng kites ni Eugene. Baka liba. Hoy. Hold it, Eugene. Two hands, two hands. Ang ingay din ng batang to. Andito kami sa waterfront. Wow. That's it. This is your first time to play a kite, Eugene. So guys, yan mga tinda. Yan mo yung mga ano yan. 18 kasi may handle daw. Kaya more expensive. Wow! Not so high, it will be heavy. Baby, you play a kite there. Daddy. Ay, ay. Baby, play a kite with Daddy. Wow, guys! Tumabili ako ng saranggola. We're here at Water Friends. Eugene, come here, baby. You keep chasing a chaser. Do not throw. Why? Why you keep throwing us chase? Ha? Ha? Eugene! Oh guys, so many aeroplanes. Guys, look at that. So strong. So hard to hold. Baby, come here. What's that island? Eugene! Sugar! Keep following to them. Baby, baby, move! Eugene, move there! Wow! I just play. Oh guys, ang daming tindahan dito. Eugene, don't so close. Oh my gosh. Eugene. Hey, hey. Come here. Don't so close. Hey, don't go there. Just stay here, baby. Oh, here are so many. Yay. Woo. Come here. Bubbles, that's so close, Eugene. That's so close. Eugene, move. Wow. Chasing the bubble. Wait, that's so big one. Ah, there. So many. Woo. You cannot catch a fish. The wind is so strong. No fish at this time.